Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is an LED light that's used for like Christmas lights or like Halloween lights or just decoration lights in general that you can use. So first thing first, let me actually open the package to show you guys what is provided inside first. So when we first open the product itself, you can see this basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys a little thank you card and a little feedback card right here. And then this is basically what it looks like inside, if you can see. So there's a bunch of Christmas lights. Let me take it out. Alright, so this is basically what is provided inside. And they're all like little snowball heads, if you can see. It's all connected through this little device right here that's battery powered. If you guys can see, it has 3 batteries inside because I already put it in. They don't actually provide you guys the battery, so that's one thing to remember. So basically once you guys put in the battery, you can actually activate it by pushing this little button right here, pushing it up. And there's 3 different modes. So there's on, there's off, and then there's a flashing mode. But before I turn it on, I want to show you guys how to actually put in the battery first. So if you guys look on this part right here, they tell you guys that you guys want to like push it to open it. Some people might just like try to do this and keep trying and they won't open. But all you guys have to do is just really easy, just push open like this. And it comes off really easy, as you can see. And then when it's done, just make sure it's lined in place with the line on the side. And just slide it back in to lock it, if you guys can see. So really easy and really simple. But let me actually turn it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. So if I turn on the flash mode, this is basically what it looks like, if you guys can see. And then this is the on mode. Alright. So you guys can see it's really hard to show you guys right now because it's still bright. But let me actually show you guys what it looks like in the dark really quick. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the little lights right here. Let's activate it first. I'm going to turn on the flash mode first so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the flash mode. Let me actually turn off the lights so you can see it better. Alright, so this is in the darkness when you guys turn on the flash mode. And this is what it looks like when you guys turn it on without the flash mode. So it looks really nice and really cool. As you can see the whole snowman of what it looks like right here. They all basically look like a snowman right here. So pretty cool, if you guys can see. Looks really nice, especially if you guys are going to be putting on your Christmas tree or just like decorations around your house, or whether it be for indoors or outdoors. You guys can use it for both. Hey, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick video of what it actually looks like in the dark. You guys can see that actually looks really nice. So basically all you guys have to do is just unknot this part right here and just start hanging out through your house, and it looks pretty amazing. So there's a lot of different string lights that looks pretty awesome that is all wired. This one is actually wireless, you can see, because you just use the battery to power it up. So that means you guys have more flexibility on this one. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that it is also supposed to be waterproof. So I'm assuming you guys can put this outdoors in the rain and everything, but I feel like it's actually better for you guys just to leave it indoors just to be safe, because you guys never know what happened even though it says it's waterproof. Because if you guys look at the inside right here, there's a little gap inside that water could get in maybe and probably get it wet, especially on the cable itself. Not saying that it will for sure, but you never know, so just to be safe. But definitely the overall design of the product itself looks amazing and feels amazing. It's not like super high quality product or anything, it just feels like plastic material, you guys can see, and here. And what's also really cool about this product is the fact that if you guys don't want to use the battery, you guys do have the option to like plug this part right here to light it up. So it's a USB plug. So I'm actually go plug this as well and test this one out. So I'm gonna use my little portable charger right here to test it out. Alright, so you just want to plug it in just like this. But before I do that, I want to take off the battery right here just to show you guys that it works. Alright, so I just need to take out one battery and then put it back in. Alright, let's try to turn it on and see if it works. Alright, so you can see that I don't have all 3 battery in, but I do have it plugged in for the USB right here, so it is working, if you can see. So it's really cool how you guys can actually use it either with a battery or also with a USB cable as well. So you just have different options on using the product itself. So let's say if I want to just hang it right here from here to here to here, it looks pretty awesome as well. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think any kind of like these string lights would be really useful and really worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to like decorate your house, whether it be for like Christmas, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving, or any kind of special occasion. It's actually pretty worth it. But in this case, if you guys see for these string lights, it has like the little snowman on it. So most likely it's probably for like Christmas season or like some kind of winter season or some kind of holiday involving Christmas. But if you guys want to use this for like Thanksgiving or for like Halloween, you guys definitely can as well. I just love the whole idea of how it's waterproof. Is the fact that you can actually use a USB cable or a battery to actually power it on, so that's pretty cool as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have